Bulking Blueprint. 4 facts to transforming your body from zero to hero. Welcome to BUFF ZADDY, where we turn average Joes into shredded superheroes. Today, we've got something special cooked up for those of you who are tired of resembling a deflated balloon. We're talking about the Bulking Blueprint. It will put you on the right path to building muscle. Picture this. You, a self-proclaimed member of the Dad Bod Club, scrolling through Instagram, feeling a pang of jealousy as you gaze upon the chiseled Adonis-like figures that grace your feed. But fear not, my fellow fitness phobes. We've got the ultimate guide to transform your body from meh to magnificent, and we're gonna do it in just 5 minutes. That's right, 5 minutes. So, grab your protein shake and buckle up because it's bulking time. 1. The skinny on bulking. Now, before we dive into the secret sauce, let's break down the basics of bulking. Bulking is like building a skyscraper. You need a solid foundation. And what's our foundation? Calories, my friends. Meet Captain Calorie. He's here to save the day by bringing you the energy you need to power through those gains. Say goodbye to salad and hello to steak. 2. Lift heavy or go home. Now, let's talk about the gym. It's not a museum. You're not here to admire the equipment. You're here to lift heavy stuff. We're talking about weights that make your mother-in-law's holiday turkey feel like a feather. Yeah, those won't cut it. Go big or go home, right? 3. Meal prep magic. Bulking isn't just about pumping iron, it's also about what you put in your mouth. No, not pizza. Well, not just pizza. It's about strategic meal prep. Behold, the Bulker's Banquet. Balanced proteins, fats, and carbs to fuel your body for the epic journey ahead. Bon appetit, baby! 4. Consistency is king. Now, here's the deal. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your biceps be. Consistency is the key to success. It's not about the one killer workout. It's about the cumulative effect of every workout. So, lace up those gym shoes and show up consistently. There you have it. Magic. The Bulking Blueprint condensed to under 5 minutes of wisdom, wit, and a dash of absurdity. Remember, the journey to becoming a jacked legend starts with a single protein-packed bite. If you enjoyed this whirlwind of wisdom, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And hey, let us know in the comments, what's your go-to bulking snack? Until next time, stay buff, stay beautiful, and keep on lifting.